Hello, students in EDU 204, Leadership and Collaboration. My name is Dr. Michael Curry, and I'll be your faculty member for this class. I'm really excited to be working through this class with you. It is a fantastic course that we have in our program to help you develop your own sense of leadership and the art of collaboration within the context of education and how important that is. Without a doubt, we don't teach in isolation in our classes. We will rely fully on the partnership and collaboration with our peers, with our mentors, with our principals, with our leaders, and with our students. One of the major facets of this class is understanding the importance of equity within education, because one of our major tenets within Wilmington University is understanding that for a person to be a true leader in a classroom, we have to understand the role that equity plays and the role of culturally responsive instruction and planning and curriculum. So we're going to be doing a little bit of intrinsic analysis and exploration in terms of some personal biases and how those impact us, because we want to we want to think through our teaching and development as teachers wholly and completely. So anyway, just a little bit about me before we get started. I was a high school teacher. I taught high school English for about 10 or 11 years before moving on to higher education. I went to University of Delaware for my undergraduate degree, and then went to Wilmington University for my graduate degree and doctoral programs. After my undergrad, I moved straight down to the beach to Lewis and got a job teaching at Cape for the time when I was doing high school English. And then I moved on to Delaware Tech. I taught there for a few years and then worked as what's called an instructional designer and then an English faculty member, and now full-time with Wilmington for about I think I'm going on my 8th year now. So I'm the chair of the teacher prep program. You may have seen me shoot out emails to you about all kinds of things, whether they're about curriculum changes or job opportunities or anything like that. So by the chair of the program, I'm the only full-time faculty member with Wilmington University's undergrad teacher prep program. So I oversee all of the courses in your curriculum. I oversee all of your education courses with the prefix EDU, courses with the prefix RDG, which are reading courses, courses with the prefix EPY, which are educational psychology courses, and courses with the prefix ECE, which are early childhood education. So I run the early childhood ed birth to second program, the elementary ed program, and the middle level education program. So it's a really fun job. It's a really interesting job. It's very dynamic. I love all of these content areas. We run courses out of Georgetown, out of Dover, out of Newcastle, and as you all know, we've got a lot of online courses also. So as your faculty member for this course, I'm excited to get to know you. I love knowing the students in my program. If you have questions as you're moving through this course, please reach out to me. Email is the best way to be in touch with me, though you can, and we can always set up a Zoom meeting if you need to do any kind of like one-on-one counseling or coaching. So I'm excited to work with you this semester, to talk with you, to get to know you, and to help you think through some of these principles. So anyway, have a great semester, and we'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.